Earth, the Sun, Saturn, and Mars, our homework will be ready when we finish those models. Let me call Zuzu so I can get it done.
Good afternoon, Manny. Did you finish all the repairs?
I'm almost done with them. I even added a close-distance beam up to the spaceship. Look here.
Oh, awesome! I can't wait to try it.
Okay, Minnie. I think we should also go for a quick ride after. Our spaceship might be worn out sitting still for so long.
Hooray! Manny totally managed to beam me up now.
Hello, Zuzu. You need to come over as soon as possible. I found everything that we need to complete our solar system homework with models and those books. There's also glue and cardboard. We can make our assignment the best one if you bring that colored paper as well.
What happened, Minnie? Did it work right?
It did. The beam up was very successful. Neşe and Zuzu need to finish their homework assignment about the solar system. They were talking on the telephone thing. Do you think we can help them out with that?
I don't see why not. We can even take them on a tour with our spaceship.
I thought so too. Come on, let's go ask them.
Hello there, Neşe. Do you want to go on a little ride with the spaceship?
A ride, huh? But I need to finish my homework with Zuzu.
This ride is for your homework. I heard you as you were talking with Zuzu, and I thought, maybe you'd like to wander around the solar system together.
Sounds wonderful.
What? Are you all going to outer space? Without me? No way! You can't go without me. You will get lost. You can never complete that assignment without the brilliance I bring to the table.
Calm down, dear Mutlu. Take a
I
breath.
can record the entire trip with Father's camera. I mean, wouldn't that be super for your homework?
It will be mega super.
We'd never think of going without you, Mutlu.
Come on then. Everybody get ready for the journey. Let's meet in front of the spaceship.
What is all this excitement about?
Mommy, listen. Minnie and Manny will take us for a ride around the solar system for our homework, if you'll allow us to go with them.
You don't have to go all the way up there. I can tell you everything from down here.
But Dad, how is that even possible? Me, the famous documentarian Mutlu, I will record the most awesome footage with my camera. I mean, your camera. It will be the greatest homework ever, and all thanks to me.
Then you better leave before it gets late.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,